Last night, thousands left their life. Thousands cried in pain. Thousands lost their near and dears. Do you know that you are fortunate enough that last night you slept peacefully? That you are blessed to have your dinner with your family and friends. Last night is the last. Don't think about it. Only think about the brand new day that is coming. It is said that first 1 hour of the day decides the last 23 hours of the day. So, as soon as you wake up in the morning, do these 3 things. First, offer gratitude. Gratitude is a choice, not a challenge. You have to offer gratitude for everything you have. Acknowledge the good things that you already have in your life, and remember, this acknowledgement will be the foundation for all abundance in future. Research reveals that your gratitude will act as a shield for you and protect you from all negativity. Gratitude enhances the law of affection and will improve relationship, which in turn boost self-esteem and increase your performance in the upcoming day. Second, have a clear vision. Keep your vision clear. Plan your day from the very beginning. Never be confused for what to do and what not to do. There are 2 things. One is good and the other one is bad, and no one knows better than you which is good for you, for your family, and for the society. Promise yourself to do the good things only, and let the mind keep a clear-cut vision of the tasks you have to perform, and prepare a systematic agenda to complete the desired task before you go to bed at night. Also, make a list of the do's and do nots, problems and solutions, and keep them in your mind to refer later in the day. There is only one way to be happy, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will. So, never waste time thinking about the things which are beyond your control. Third, set small goals. Once you wake up in the morning, once you offered gratitude and visualized the solutions for the task of the upcoming hours, now you set some goals to smoothly finish the tasks. Goals give our life a meaning. True success is all about working towards meaningful goals. Never think about the significance of the task you are responsible of. It may be vast or a little one, but you should subdivide your goals into smaller ones and start your day by achieving these little goals one by one. Dreams don't work until and unless you do. Remember, creating goals for yourself not only sets you on the right track, but also it helps you to feel happier and better.